So today we're going to show you our FunWater inflatable paddleboard. We're currently camping right now and it's Christmas in July, so that's why you see our friend Mr. Grinch. The paddleboard comes with a manual pump, a paddle, a fin, a leash, a large backpack, and a repair kit. The paddleboard has a nice sturdy valve on it, and the pump actually twists and locks into place while you're inflating it, so it doesn't pop off, which is nice. And there's a pressure release valve that twists and locks into place for when you go to deflate the paddleboard. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and inflate the paddleboard, and we'll check back in with you when we're done. We bought this paddleboard on sale through Amazon for $69.99 back in December of 2025. It regularly went for $139.99 at the time of our purchase. I'm not going to put a link to this specific paddleboard because it's no longer available, but there are plenty of other versions of the FunWater paddleboard available on Amazon and other retailers. Okay, so we've finished inflating the paddleboard, and as you see here on the gauge, we're in the green zone. It's supposed to be 12 to 15 psi, and it took us just under 6 minutes to inflate this paddleboard. So we attach the leash here. It just loops right onto this D-ring here. And we just have to assemble the paddle here. As you see, it just clicks into place here. And then at the end, at the top of the paddle, it has measurements based on height. So you just adjust it to your best fit. The removable fin just slides into place here at the bottom of the paddleboard. So in a separate video, we did an unboxing of our Bestway inflatable kayak. So we just wanted to provide you an update. So this little triangle piece is confirmed to be a footrest according to the instructions that came with the second kayak that we opened on this trip. The paddle that came with our second kayak installs just a little bit differently. It has separate pieces that slide in over one another instead of clicking together. And then on this kayak, the inflation process is a little bit different. You start with the sides and then inflate the floor last, according to the instructions with this particular kayak. So our second kayak was a slightly different version compared to the initial one that we showed you in our unboxing video. Alright, so we have inflated our FunWater paddleboard and our two Bestway Venture Elite kayaks, and we are currently camping right now in Odetta in Bosra, Connecticut. And we're going to take them all out here on this lake. Now we have taken the paddleboard out on other camping trips and we love it. It has held up really well, and we just love how portable it is and easy to take along with us while camping. The kayaks worked well, were comfortable, and were nice and stable on the water. I'll put a link in the description to our unboxing video of the Bestway inflatable kayaks in case if you want to learn more about them.